I'm going to give you a demonstration today of our new product called Hide Master. Hide Master is a special colouring system. It's designed to colour in all the colour loss that you see here, which is quite revolutionary compared to our standard sort of colouring system for restoring colour on furniture, clothing, car interiors, etc. What Hide Master does is colours and seals all in one, giving you a brand new feel which is perfectly identical to what it was originally when it was applied to the leather items when they were manufactured. If you could imagine something like an old classic car where all the interior is a completely original interior, to retain that vehicle's value, people like to sort of keep the originality within the vehicle. So what we've designed is something that can enable them to do that by simply colouring all the seating, by wiping over or washing over, whatever you want to call it, the Hide Master products, which colours all the cracking, stops the cracking getting sort of worse, colours them all in, and injects a completely brand new look and feel to the seat, but retaining all that beautiful sort of aged sort of character that the seats have attained over the years from the sort of cracking process. But obviously this seals the cracks and colours them all in, so it looks like a brand new interior, but yet retaining all its original characteristics. So again, retaining, if not enhancing, the vehicle's value. I'm going to give you a very quick demonstration of how this works by sort of colouring in this sort of section here, because you can sort of see all the colour loss coming along here on this jacket. You know, it's quite severe, and this is going to resolve it within a matter of seconds. You just simply wipe the Hide Master on, and then you're going to allow that to dry naturally, or you can, if you wish, speed it up with the hairdryer. But that will colour in all that you can see on there and make that completely brand new once again. Very, very simple, very, very easy, very, very quick. Brand new leather jacket, car interior, furniture, coloured, sealed, ready to use within 10-15 minutes. It literally is that good and that quick. Very, very simple, very, very quick and easy. It's literally ready to use within minutes. Once this has all been done, you can, if you wanted to, give it a second application to give it an even greater protection on the leather surface. But once that's done, allow that to dry naturally, which is what I'm going to do, and then just protect in your normal way with your leather protection cream. As far as hard wearing processes are concerned, it's very, very hard wearing. It's been designed to be as hard wearing as what the original colouring was that was on the leather in the first place from the manufacturers when the hides were made. So you can be rest assured that what you're putting on there is just as good, if not possibly actually better than what it was originally, because of the sort of hard wearing properties that we put into the product to enable it to be a lot more hard wearing than when the items were manufactured. Once it's dried, protection cream over the top, you're finished. Signed, sealed, delivered, finished, complete, brand new look to your leather item, literally within a few minutes. Obviously the first process that you need to do with this is to clean the leather down with our standard premium leather cleaner, and then just colour and protect. That's it, done. If you need to know more, you can go on our website. It is currently in construction, www.hydemaster.com, HYDE master.com. Thank you very much.